Gutter Village is an unplanned settlement in the Commonwealth of Dominica. Its residents have been impacted by Tropical Storm Erica and ravaged by Hurricane Maria. The gutter emergency shelter was assessed as unsuitable for the purpose due to damage to parts of the roof and to plumbing, windows and doors as a result of the 2013 Christmas drought. Rehabilitation of the gutter emergency shelter and installation of a photovoltaic system and drainage works were funded to the tune of US $130,355.61 and was completed within 14 months.
As a result of the impact of the damage, the New Zealand government came to the rescue of Dominica and provided some assistance towards the enhancement and improvement of the facility. And in fact, during the passage of Maria, a number of persons seek refuge in this facility that is serving as an emergency shelter. Many persons seek refuge in that area, and that provided much needed comfort to the people because the facility was well equipped through the assistance of the New Zealand government. Following Maria, again, the government of New Zealand came to the rescue of Dominica and provided some sort of assistance through the OECS for the enhancement again of this facility, which include the installation of a solar energy system to this facility. This system has certainly enhanced the capacity and the capability of the community, in fact, to find alternative sources of energy. On behalf of the government and people of Dominica, I wish to sincerely thank the government of New Zealand for this worthy gesture.
On 23 December 2013, heavy rains and winds drenched St. Vincent and the Grenadines, resulting in extensive infrastructural damage to fisheries jetties, fueling depots, and fish storage facilities. The New Zealand government, through the OECS Commission, injected $130,000 to assist in the recovery and rehabilitation works. They also supported the training in safety at sea and response to adverse weather events.
We have been so thankful for this because it helped a lot with the fishermen around, not up from Barley alone, but on the leeward side. People come from all over to buy gas, and it is very, very helpful for the fishermen and not only them, the van drivers, because the van drivers normally come to follow up from the leeward end and the Conchen. Here's where they mostly come to get gas, and we thank them very much.
The New Zealand government also pledged $51,000 to assist with relief efforts in the aftermath of the Soufriere Hills volcanic eruption in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Ancillary, a fishing village on the northwest coast of St. Lucia. Population 6,247. Picturesque, quaint, yet so predisposed to the frequent hazards of climate change.
Ancillary always had challenges with flooding. Now, we are at the back of the Ancillary Infant School. Our problem here was that when the river is high, the water would cut at the back of the school and onto the beach. So that created a serious threat to the infant school, to the structure. And it is because of this reason that we sought funding from the New Zealand government to build the Gibeon basket. We were able to build 125 feet of basket. And since that has been done, that issue has been remedied.
The Ancillary Flood Mitigation and Mangrove Restoration Project was funded to the tune of $133,000 and implemented over a 6-month period.
The New Zealand government also contributed towards the rehabilitation of the mangrove, which is to the northern end of the village. What we have done in the mangrove is clean it and create an atmosphere where people can go, relax, and we also notice that since we've cleaned the mangrove, the trees are growing again and we have more fish life there.
Residents of La Claire in Castries, St. Lucia have also been impacted by the power of nature. 30 skilled and semi-skilled persons from the community undertook critical infrastructural works, thus building local capacity while improving community response to flood mitigation.
Where we're standing, this entire area there had to be backfilled and the wall. So imagine if we never got to build this wall, these homes in there, these people would have issues to leave their homes whenever it rains. And so obviously it was a great impact, positive impact on the lives of the people, making it easier to walk through. There are a lot of children, there are elder people. Thank you.